It wasn't even hot. But tell them too. They're gonna be seeing. Oh, you're burning her. You can see you really. I just remember we on camera, Karis. We can't be sitting there acting crazy. They're gonna be sitting there talking about me in the comments. Mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in looking in today's video, if you want to get silk like this, keep watching. But on a serious note, hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are doing our silk press. We are showing you guys how to do a silk press, what products to use. Mind you, I was out of town, home, so I was limited with products that I use. So please don't hold me to this stuff. Some of this products was new to me too, but we gonna work with it, okay? But we're going straight into the video, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. So here, obviously, I'm just cleansing the hair. And I actually genuinely did like these products. I've also heard about this line, so it was pretty good. But going into the blow dryer, girl, let me tell you something. I did not like this blow dryer at all. And you'll even see me down the line switching from the paddle brush so I can have more control. I feel like I did not have control when I was doing this blow drying. I didn't like it at all. I really like being able to swing the hair back and forth because it creates movement. So when you are blow drying, you do not want to blow dry in one area. You want to go back and forth, like I said, so it can create that body, that silk that you're looking for. I was not able to do that with this brush, so I had to stop. But I'm sorry, I skipped over the product that I used. I just used a little oil, a silking mist oil, like a little serum. I usually use Shy. I hope I'm saying it correctly. I usually use that product to do silk presses of any kind, whether it's any hair type. I've always used that product because it's not too oil based, which is what you don't want. You don't want something that's going to weigh down the hair. But as you can see here, I switched over to the paddle brush, girl. I feel like, you see, I'm going in different motions. I'm not staying in one area. Even where her edges are, I want to make sure it's kind of smooth right there, so I don't have to put too much heat on it with the flat iron that I'm going to use. The thing, you want to use a paddle brush. Reason being is it does not create as much frizziness. That is what you do not want. I feel like demi brushes are brushes that create frizziness, and I do not like that. You don't want any frizziness. And even when I showed you guys the finished product at the beginning of the video, you saw that everything was pretty much smooth. You didn't see any frizziness. You didn't see any of that, which is helping with the paddle brush. Right here. Do not hold me to my party, girl. My cousin, yeah, she's my cousin. She was pissing me off. She kept moving her head. It's like, girl, keep your head still. You've been getting your hair done all these years. Why you want to act brand new now? Don't do that with me. And I was ready to kind of just sit down and chill. I had just worked that day. So as soon as I got off of work, I went straight and got in the car and drove and went to go do her hair for her homecoming. So they literally, I don't do hair anymore, but I'll do it for my family any day, which is what I was doing today. So look, I got the job done, but don't hold me to the party, okay? It got better once we got to the front because I was like, ooh, I'm almost done. Also, y'all, I'm so sorry about like the angles of the camera. I was really trying to focus on making sure her hair was silky and straight and everything, and less about the camera. I was just like, oop, let's record, because I wanted to get content for you all. And then also, her hair is not smoking. It's the product that is on there that is creating that smoke. Her hair is fine. It's not damaged. As you can see, she has a lot of hair, and this is not my first time doing her silk press. So I just wanted you guys to keep that in mind. I've actually helped grow her hair as well. So her hair was shorter than this, and I was like, girl, your hair grew. Check you out. She was like, I know. So when you are doing your flat iron, please use a comb. Please take your time so you don't have to go back and forth over the hair numerous of times. I just wanted to put that out there. I know you guys see me going left and right because I'm trying to get both ends so I don't have to just go back and forth in her hair with the heat. As you can see, it's silky. It looks so good. It looks so smooth. It's shiny, and that's what we're looking for. But she is going to be getting end trim like I think I showed you guys at the beginning of this video, and I tried my best to get angles of that. But baby, listen, when it comes to hair, and I become very focused. So even though I don't do it anymore, I am somebody that wants it done right. I don't want nobody out there looking like, dang, that's who did your hair. You ain't about to say, baby, I did what I was supposed to do, okay? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to give. Right here, I'm close to her edges, and as you can see, when I'm doing the flat iron, I'm doing it at an angle and I'm pulling away so I don't burn her or, hurt her or anything. So as you can see, she hasn't flinched. She's good. She's straight because I'm pulling away. So when you want to do your edges and you're doing your clients or whatever the case may be, pull away so you're not in their face and they're not jumping, because they already scared. We already traumatized when it comes to getting our hair done and putting heat. Our mama's traumatized us. And you can see her right now. She gonna try to jump. Girl, ain't nothing wrong with you. And did you see how close it was not to her hair? She cool. See, we traumatized. I'm telling you. I still jump to getting my hair done. Even when I'm doing my own hair, I jump. Be scared. Right here, I'm just showing you how much it's going to need to cut off. And I would say at least a ½ inch of the hair is going to need to come off. Because, baby, one thing about it y'all need to stop doing is keeping them dead ends. They got to go. If you do not get your ends trimmed, it will go up your hair shaft and it can go, split ends can travel up. So please allow your hairstylist that you trust to go ahead and clip them ends, because they are hindering your growth. Let it go so it can grow even longer and you can have more healthier hair. So we're back at the edges part again. We're going to go ahead and flat away from her hair so she's not jumping and trying to be even more traumatized than we already are from our younger days since we was, kids. But yeah, so I do flat iron the edges because I feel like it's better. I don't really like edge control. Not my thing. I feel like it kind of weighs down the hair. It travels and weighs down the hair. I don't know. I just don't like edge control on these silk presses. Now, it's different if it has like a little side part and then you do a little baby hair, but nothing too much to weigh down the hair because it's already going to get greasy after a couple of days, I'm just trying to make sure the part is straight. You can't be out there crooked. She got to have a deep middle part too. And then in the next scene, we're going to go ahead and get into clipping those ends. As you can see, as I'm combing the hair, it's not moving as much. And that's the reason being is because she really needs an end trim. End trims can hinder so much. Even if you're getting a silk press, it's not going to have as much movement that you're looking for. So as of right now, I'm going ahead and just clipping off what I pretty much showed you at the beginning of the video and how much needs to go. I really am sorry about like the angles again. But like I said, she needed at least a ½ inch. And as you can see, I'm doing a stationary guide. So I'm pretty much just giving her a blunt cut at this very moment. And then I'm going to go in and clip off those hairs inside her hair, which I'm going to show you as well. So you want to make sure you're sitting straight. For instance, if you're cutting someone else's hair, you want to make sure, like what I just did, had her put her leg down because I want to make sure everything is looking even on both sides. And if you're sitting slouched or your legs are up, you're not going to be even on both sides. Something's going to be off within the end trim or the haircut that you're doing as well. So make sure your shoulders are straight and your body is straight and so is your head. Do not move your head because if you put your head down, for instance, it's going to create some type of layers and everything at the bottom. And that's not what I'm looking for. I just want to make sure she's good within her end trim. I'm not giving her an actual haircut. Now we're going to go ahead and clip the ends inside the hair. And as you can see, let the hair fall that's falling. That's not the hair that you want to clip. You want to clip anything that does not look straight within your hands. What you have in your hands, is what you want to clip. If it's not looking straight, just go ahead and clip that out. Many methods to cut in, but I feel like for the beginners that are really just trying to maintain their hair at home, you want to just go ahead and just cut it straight out. But I usually sometimes point cut it out so I don't have such a blunt effect, but with her hair it was okay. It looked better on her and everything. And I was also cross-checking my work to make sure everything was even within her end trim as well. And it came out real good. And I'm about to show you guys the finishing product. And this is the finished product. What is so funny is when I was showing her hair, and my auntie was trying to duck off and not be in the video. But yeah, as you can see, everything is even. You don't see any dead ends anymore. Baby, she about to be swinging that hair at homecoming. Yeah, stop playing with her. But I'll check in with you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.